Hi guys, welcome to our new video tutorial, our second video tutorial in Linux shells and scripts. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use a command to create a folder, directory, and and files in just with just using a command Linux command. Let's focus our video without much a time. We are going to start this video, but before we start, don't forget to subscribe our channel, like our video, and if you have any question, drop a comment to us. We can check it later after this video. uh, uh, in order to create a file which is directory linux Linux and with Linux command, we are going to use command which is mkdir. Mkdir means mk means make, and dir is directory. When we are creating a directory called yellow or training, we are going to set training. After we set make, we are going to set training and click enter. We have created a training file directory. How can we know we have created a training directory? Let's check our directory called desktop. Let's set ls. After that, we are going to check this. This is our directory we have created, which is ls, which is training. The next thing we are going to do, how can we enter these training files for directory and create a files? Let's say cd and set training. Let's click enter. Let's clear this. We enter a training directory. We are going to create multiple files on it, but before we are going to create a multiple file in this directory, we are going to start with single files. In order to create a file in a Linux, we are using touch command. Touch command help you to create a files, any kind of files you are wanted to create. Let's say touch and create an index.html files. Let's click enter. After that, we create an index.html files. In this With these files, we can even write our program for web page etc. Like how I said, we are going to create a multiple HTML with one click, multiple files with one click. Let's do this. We are going to set touch and set style.css and scripts.js. This is multiple files, two files in one click. Let's click enter and see. We have created successfully. Let's check our files. Let's set ls. This is all our files we have created, index.html, js, and so many things. In order, we are going to create a multiple directory, we are going to use mkdir and set the first directory should be image and the second should be logos. Let's click enter and see. Our our two directory was created successfully. Let's check it. This is all our directories and files we have created. Now what thing we are going to learn is how to, in our next video we are going to learn how we can delete a directory and files with just one click. This is the end of our video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, like our video, and drop a comment for more information. Thank you.